Imagine going to bed tonight after a long day of work without setting an alarm and waking up the next day to a PayPal notification that you have made several $100s overnight. Not only is that absolutely achievable, but I'll walk you through the process step by step. Hello to everyone. Today, we're going to examine a novel technique that has never been examined on this channel. You can make a sizable amount of money by finishing quick, easy jobs that only take you a few minutes. You just need to carefully follow my simple instructions and do what I say. You don't need any special abilities or a lot of free time. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Connecting to this website called Latium.org is the first step. Verify that you are using the correct extension. Consequently, you are taken immediately to this webpage. And accompany me as I walk you through the full registration process, since that is a crucial component there. That provides you with more motivation to begin using this strategy. I'm referring to additional compensation for merely joining and connecting to their site. Basically, different kinds of projects are what people are bringing here. And as of late, they are leaving it up to the users of this platform to finish the work and get paid for them. It's basically Fiverr's polar opposite. Instead of promoting their own services, the freelancer. Now, the customer presents a project, allows as many individuals as possible to complete it, then selects a winner. Contrary to Fiverr, where it is a little more difficult to stand out from the crowd and build a solid name for yourself. It's really simple to be accepted for a project here. And you don't even need the skill. I'm going to demonstrate certain jobs that you can perform repeatedly without any skill at all to help you get the money you require. Therefore, go ahead and click on I want to work, as that is what you want to do, earn money through working. The registration process is quite simple to finish. You will be sent to this page after filling out your personal information, where you should choose one to work again. You don't have to upload a photo or fill out any of the other information, so you can skip this step. You will be automatically routed to this browse page after the sign-up procedure is complete. Click on it if you want to. If not, you can see a variety of projects that have been put here for individuals like you and me to do in order to get money. And you want to confirm that this specific link is clicked. You want to search for projects rather than freelancers, since you are willing to provide the service yourself rather than seeking for someone else to do it for you. We can move on to the following step after that has been resolved. You can find several projects that match your knowledge and talents based on the skill set you possess. However, if you don't have a specific skill set, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'll show you how to use this platform the simplest manner possible. All you have to do is click on Translation and Languages. Many individuals are unaware of this important step, which will help you earn the money you desire. As you can see, there are a number of offerings here, with values ranging from $25 to $100. Depending on how much work needs to be done, it might even be less. There are $500 to $1,000 in this. So, really substantial financial amounts. These individuals are sincerely looking for a competent translator. But there's a problem. No foreign language proficiency is required to apply for these positions. You are not required to have completed any coursework or pass any exams to demonstrate your proficiency in the language. All you need to do to participate is submit your entry. And I'll explain to you just how simple it is to do that. In essence, you will receive a document that like this one. This particular one is written in Japanese, a language I don't even speak and in which I have never seen written before. I therefore lack the necessary skill set to apply for this project. But there's a problem. The person who submits the project and is willing to pay doesn't care about your academic background, which college you attended, or anything else of the sort. All they care about is that the job is done correctly, so long as you're able to give them a translation that is understandable, clear, and, for the most part, grammatically sound and simple to read. Whether you are fluent in Japanese or not won't matter. The prize will go to the person who can translate a sentence the best. And I'll show you how to improve your chances of getting selected and receiving payment for translating this text. And don't worry, using this method won't require you to learn anything at all. The entire endeavor won't take you longer than 30 seconds. One of the largest organizations on the globe, with well-designed technologies that can assist you in translating any language needed. As you can see, you are only allowed to upload 5,000 words at once. And even if they don't offer such astounding sums of money as $500 to $1,000 for just 200 words, the documents you will receive may be far larger. But you can proceed and resolve whatever issue you have with the aid of Google Translate. Therefore, you can just copy a few sentences from your paper and upload them here. You don't even need to check the language because it is identified for you. And as you can see, although there may be a few errors given that nobody is flawless, the translation is generally accurate and grammatically sound. You then could experience some problems. However, if you read it, put in a little extra effort to read it, and perhaps fix the sections that don't flow well together, you will be able to produce a text that is understandable and simple to read for the average person who has to read it. So if you want to be extra cautious, go ahead and do that. However, if you don't, no problem, just copy that. After that, return to the document you had basic translation for and arrange it attractively. Additionally, you can apply the next method if you feel that the process is a bit repetitious for longer texts. You can upload the complete file by clicking on the layer file icon in the Documents area, which is located here. Additionally, Google Translate will handle everything for you and translate the full file. And as I've already mentioned, you can check again to see if everything fits together nicely, is simple to understand, etc. And it is logical. Once you have finished translating the whole document, it should only take a few minutes. If you employ the technique I have just described, you may continue and submit your entry. You should upload this paper to the project on the freelancing portal I've already examined. Additionally, the individual who uploaded the project will review it, and they will give you your due payment if they deem it relevant and well written. And starting to make money on LinkedIn is only as simple as this. After watching this video, if you think that this was straightforward and you want to get started right away, please give it a like so that we know that our explanation satisfied you and that we can continue to offer you useful information. Please subscribe, click the bell, and we'll see you again soon.